This video will demonstrate how to use the Conditional Release tool in Desire2Learn version 10.1. Conditional release is used to define the order in which a student accesses course materials and allows you to create custom learning paths through the materials in your course. Release means visible or accessible to students. When you attach a release condition to an item, students cannot see that item until they meet the associated condition. For example, you could create a release condition that required a user to view a content topic before gaining access to a quiz. Or you could create a release condition that required a student to post a message to a discussion topic before they could see the content module. In this example, I cannot see content module 2. If I post a summary of learning, I should now be able to see Module 2. For best practices and sample scenarios for release conditions, visit the fully searchable Desire2Learn help located on your My homepage. To create a release condition, you must attach a release condition to the item you want to restrict. For example, if you want a quiz to be released after a student submits to a Dropbox, you would attach the release condition to the quiz. To attach a release condition, go to the activity page for the tool you want to attach the condition to. In this case, we'll attach it to a quiz. Go to Assessment and Evaluation in your course navigation bar and click on Quizzes. Now go to the Edit page for the item you want to attach the condition to. Go to the Restrictions tab and locate the Release Conditions area. If you've already created a release condition and want to apply that same condition to another item, you can quickly select the condition from a list by clicking Attach Existing. This saves you entering the criteria a second time. When you attach an existing condition from another item to a second item, the two conditions are not associated in any way. If you change the condition on either item or remove the condition from either item, it has no effect on the other condition. In this instance, we want to create a new release condition, so we will click on Create and Attach. Select the condition type. This quiz will be released when the student submits to a Dropbox. Select the condition details. The Dropbox that the student must submit to before seeing this quiz is the assignment to Dropbox. Click Create. Choose whether access to the item is dependent on meeting all or any of your conditions. This only applies if you create and attach multiple conditions. Once you are finished, click Save and Close. A release condition has now been attached to that quiz. You can also remove a release condition. To remove a release condition, edit the item you want to remove the condition from and locate the Release Conditions area. Click the Remove icon beside a specific condition to remove it, or click Remove All Conditions to remove all conditions for an item. Click Save, and the release condition has been removed from the item.